everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I can never get enough tofu. I love it in soups and stir fries with noodles or in a salad. It is always good. Well, today I'm bringing one of my favorite fruits into the mix with this amazing pineapple tofu. Let's get into it. Let's start off with cutting a block of extra firm tofu into some thin triangles. Not only are they pretty, but having the pieces thin like this will help crisp them up later. In a small bowl, combine pineapple juice, soy sauce, and cayenne pepper. Give it a quick mix before adding the tofu, securing the lid, and giving it all a good shake. We'll let that marinate while we finish our other prep. Next up, let's roughly chop half of a white onion into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with a green bell pepper and a bunch of fresh pineapple. Finally, let's finely mince up a couple cloves of garlic. Back to our tofu, drain out the marinade and pat dry the tofu with a paper towel. Throw the tofu back into the bowl along with some cornstarch. Give it a good shake so the tofu gets evenly coated. Now place a large pan or wok on the stove and heat up some vegetable oil on medium-high. Once sizzling, add in the tofu single file. Fry the tofu for 5 to 10 minutes on each side until we have some crispy golden edges. Now add in the garlic, veggies, and our pineapple. Continue to cook for another 10 minutes until our veggies are nice and tender. Let's make our sauce. In a bowl, mix together some pineapple juice, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and brown sugar. Separately, make a cornstarch slurry and add it to the sauce. Pour the sauce into the pan and continue cooking on medium-high heat. Mix so everything is evenly coated by the sauce. After 5 to 10 minutes, our sauce should have thickened up. Now grab some rice and sesame seeds and let's plate this dish. This looks so amazing. Now we're getting a little bit of kick from that cayenne pepper, but the defining flavor is definitely that pineapple. It is showing loud and clear and it is amazing. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what some of your favorite tofu dishes are down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Get off saucy.
Oh, it's saucy. Yeah, that is saucy.
Super sauce.
So saucy.